Right. In today's session, we are going to discuss about cloud migration strategy because when it comes to the migration process in context to the application migration, data migrations are concerned, there is one more important key element one to be identified is called cloud migration strategy because especially when from the context of property and casualty insurances and all that, when you want to re-architecting the enterprise software applications, this migration strategy will be more beneficial than replatforming the uh, solutions that we are going to provide, especially in P&C insurance domain. In that regard, so whatever the kind of strategies that we are going to develop, or the kind of strategies that we are implementing, are something crucial for making informed decisions. At the same time, selecting the approach which must align with any kind of individual goals as well as the kind of requirements and all. In process of understanding about the cloud migration strategy is an example of property and casualty insurances and all. First of all, we must be knowing about what are the different types of cloud migration strategies do we have. The first one, as far as the types of cloud migration strategies are concerned, the first one is called rehosting. This is the first one which normally we need to do. The second one about replatforming. This is the second one we have. The third one about re-architecting. Right. So re-architecting. Right. So these are the three different types of cloud migration strategies we have. Re-hosting is the first one. Second about re-platforming, followed by re-architecting. When it comes to the re-hosting is concerned, majorly involves in the moving applications to the cloud environment without any significant changing of the code or the architecture and all that. This allows insurances to migrate applications to the cloud. The major benefit of rehosting is to of migration speed, when as it requires minimal modifications to the existing application, rehosting can be done. Second, about the replatforming. So replatforming involves in modifying the applications for a better leverage of cloud services without completely redesigning the application architecture. Uh, at the same time, whatever the approach that we are making between the simplicity of rehosting and as well as complexity of re-architecting, all that stuff. But when it comes to the replatforming itself is concerned, insurances can optimize the specific components of the application to take in cloud native services. For example, if there are any kind of containerized an application to improve any kind of portability or scalability, or adopting managed database services to reduce the maintenance as well as audit cost, everything. So replatforming improves the performances majorly. At the same time, it increases the scalability as well, which can lead to reduce the operational cost comparing to rehosting, all that. Next one about the re-architecting, which involves in redesigning the applications from the ground to the cloud native. Majorly, this approach has an advantage of cloud capabilities by leveraging microservices architecture, by implementing any serverless computing or auto scaling, other cloud native features, all that. But when it comes to the right? So when it comes to the re-architecting is concerned, whatever the cloud native applications which are highly scalable and resilient, which can be easily updated and maintained, so that whatever the cloud services we are enabling insurers to innovate faster and as well as deliver better out customer experiences, etc. All that. So these are the three different types of cloud migration strategies we have. One is about the rehosting part. Second is called replatforming. At the same time, the third one about re-architecting. So these are the three different cases that these are the three different types that we have. Now, when it comes to the cloud migration strategy, how this can be implemented, right? So what are the steps that are to be taken into consideration that we are going to discuss in the next session.